We're going to start out by putting the chicken wings in a container and adding buttermilk and your favorite hot sauce. Go ahead and refrigerate this overnight. Okay, after your smoker is heated up to 275, we're going to be putting these chicken wings on the smoker for 1 hour. After 1 hour, we're going to be taking the chicken wings, and we're going to be flipping them over. I'm going to apply one more layer of seasoning on the top side. Then we're going to put these in the smoker for 30 more minutes. And then we're going to get our glaze ready to go. Okay, let's make the glaze. This is a pretty easy recipe. Just take half of your red jalapeno pepper jelly and half of your favorite sweet barbecue sauce. I recommend using jalapeno pepper jelly. If you don't want to make your own pepper jelly and you look online for pepper jelly, make sure it's jalapeno, red jalapeno pepper jelly. I've done this recipe with pepper jelly to find out there was no red jalapenos, it was all bell peppers. I recommend you check out my recipe on red jalapeno pepper jelly. Once you make it, you'll never buy again. Go ahead and heat your glaze until the red jalapeno pepper jelly blends into the barbecue sauce.
Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe!